Hey everyone, and welcome to World Heritage Journey. Today we're at the Margravial Opera House in Bayreuth, southern Germany. The Opera House is the building that you can see behind me, and it was constructed in the 1740s by the local Margrave family, the ruling family of the area. It's considered to be an absolute masterpiece of Baroque design, particularly Baroque theatre design, and I'm really excited to have a look. Let's check it out. So the building itself actually has a fascinating history because the driving force behind its construction was the Margrave's wife, a lady known as Wilhelmina. She was a great patron and participant in the arts. She wrote operas, performed in plays, directed, and all that kind of stuff. And the opera house was actually her idea. And the interesting thing about it is that it's actually the court opera house, meaning that only courtiers and invited guests were allowed to attend. Court opera houses and theatres were very common, but they were usually located within the palace compound. So for one to be located outside in a public area was very, very unusual. And it's essentially a precursor to the public opera house that we know and love today. So this is the interior of the theatre, and it's absolutely stunning. The first thing you notice when you walk in are the over-the-top Baroque decorations, which are just really, really beautiful and loaded with symbolism too. Now it's interesting that everything you can see is actually made of wood and plaster, even though the outside of the building is made from stone. And it would actually hold about 500 people when it was full. Now there's a few beautiful details that I want to point out. Above the stage you can see the crest of the Margrave dynasty, which has the Brandenburg eagle, and then of course the Prussian imperial crown on the top. Now on the right hand side of the stage is the Wilhelmina's monogram, and it's topped with two personifications of her, one as justice, the other as generosity. And on the left hand side of the stage is the monogram for her husband, the Margrave. And of course, his monogram is topped with two other personifications, wisdom and foresight. Now at the back there's also the royal box, which again is topped with the Prussian imperial crown and the Brandenburg eagle. There's also a fantastic painting on the ceiling, which I'm not sure that you can see, but it's actually on canvas and attached to the ceiling frame. It has the god Apollo, patron of the arts, and then personification of several different arts and the muses as well, and of course the winged messenger, Pegasus. It's really, really fantastic. Well, we've just finished the tour inside, and it was really, really impressive. Sometimes I'm a bit cold on Baroque styling, but this was just absolutely magnificent and really, really well done. And the thing that most impressed me about it is that what you saw inside was entirely original, because unlike many places in Germany, it wasn't really damaged during the war. And they've actually just completed a massive 5-year restoration project, and it only opened again a couple of months ago, which means that, yeah, everything in there is basically as it was when the theatre opened in 1748, 270 years ago. But that's it from me. Thank you so much for watching. Thumbs up if you liked the video, and hit subscribe if you'd like to see more from the World Heritage Journey. I'll see you next time.